So how to make Chrome your default web browser, or how to simply set Chrome as default browser? Well, this video is for you if you're wondering what to do. So what we do is first hit into our settings option. Now you see their search bar, right? It is right in front of you on your screen at the top line. Alright, now we simply tap into that search bar and we type their apps, because if you type apps you get related terms to it. Now we have the option of manage apps right at the downward. It may be apps manager or manage apps or anything according to your mobile. Now we have the three dots option at the right corner. Let's click into that. Now we have the option of default apps, right? Now we simply click into the browser option. Alright, yes. Now here we see that my default browser is simply browser. Now it may be Kiwi browser or something else for you. So for this video we simply click into the Chrome. We tick that option. Alright, now here we have our Chrome as the default web browser. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. Now if you want to find the saved passwords on Google Chrome, then please hit into the video which is right on your screen. This is me Ekta signing off. Have an amazing day.